when change happens too fast.
The time has come to prepare and get ready to manage the realities of our time. Underperformance, poor decision making, and procrastination will be the unfortunate result of incompetent victims of reality. Taking up the challenge to manage reality will lead to improved communication, action leadership, and proactive decision making. Manage Reality offers the opportunity for leaders, organizations, companies, and individuals to prepare new prospects, get ready to manage, and take corrective action. The 360 Manage Reality communication tool provides frameworks how to deal with general and unique realities. The Manage Reality tool is designed and leads to execution processes taking cognizance of external and internal realities that have an impact on the organization, the company, and the individual are identified. Using the tool, key risk and performance indicators can be set up. During the internal reflection stage, the effect and impact of key indicators are evaluated. The framework will lead to the action strategy. The action strategy method provides practitioners with a lifelong tool and can be transferred to future generations, as long as reality exists. Prioritizing assignments, timeframes, reporting and maintenance form part of the execution process and completes the implementation of a custom-made framework. Once dealing with reality becomes familiar and part of an integrated system, maturity sets in, leading to competent, efficient organizations, companies, and people.
To find out more about the Manage Reality Toolkit, our other resources and consultation services, please subscribe on the link. Your subscription will give you free access to an independent case study. Clicks. When reality requires an integrated communication strategy.